Hello and welcome to Iconic Sections. In this video, we are going to learn how to use this image with text rotating bar section and how to implement that in your own theme. So you can see this is very attractive section which has image with text option like any other regular one, but it has this rotating bar which gives a very attractive look to it. And you can see in this another demo that it can be used horizontally as well, and you can place it on the left or right, top or bottom as well. So let's see how this works. So you can find this section in your Iconic Section app, and once you purchase you can click hit install and select the theme you want to. Once it's successfully installed, you can click customize theme button and it will open up your customize panel like this. So now you have to click on add section option and you can search image with text and you can find it easily. So once you add, but as you can see it's not visible, so make sure you go to app embeds and turn on this before using this. So now you can see that section is here with some dummy text. So it's very simple. You can just change the colors like this, and also you can change the alignment very easily. Now you can change the image on the right hand side and also decide what should be the size of that image. Right now it's adaptive to height, so it takes whatever the image size is right now. You have the option to make this image wider or smaller based on your requirement. And also you can decide the behavior of this image, like if you want to keep it simple static, or if you want ambient movement, or you want zoom in effect when someone scroll the page. Also you can decide either you want to keep it on the left side or the right side like this. And here are options to add the text and content and the tagline. Same way you can decide either to keep button as a button or a link, and you can give your product link or collection link to this easily. Also we have all the options, so you can easily decide which color you want to give to your button and link. Also we have the border option, so you can decide if you want to give a border to this whole section. Also have the corner radius option and few other things. Now the main thing is the rotating bar. So here you can decide the placement of this rotating bar. If you keep it left on the text, then it will be here before the text, or it can be on the right side, or if you want to keep it on the bottom or the top, you can also do like this. Now here are other options like desktop size, font size and gap, mobile font size and gap, this icon size and color. If you have image, then also you can decide the image size. Then you have the animation option. Right now it's going from one direction to another. This can be easily changed from here. Also you can decide either you want to keep it very slow or fast. And then we have some other options like border and box shadow, and the last is margin. So like this you can have different text for the rotating bar here. As you can see, you can change the heading or here used, and also you can give a link to it. And if you want icon, then you can use this icon from Bootstrap, or you can have your own image as well, like this. So you have as many different rotating text as you want. So that's it. Isn't it simple and straightforward? I hope you like the section and you will use on your store and provide your feedback. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out to our support if you need any help.